Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change audio and video settings in Skype. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Skype account, which of course I have done right here, or your Skype application, which of course I've done right here. Now, what exactly is Skype? Skype is a proprietary telecommunications application that allows you to keep in touch with free video chats, messaging, and affordable calls. You can create instant online video calls with one click, no download required. So now that we know a bit of what Skype is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to change audio and video settings in Skype. From this home screen, I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have your profile name in there. So go ahead and click on your profile name and profile name, not celebrating. So click on your profile name and it takes you right here where you have Skype to phone, Skype number, Skype profile, bookmarks, clips, gallery, settings. So go ahead and select settings. It's going to take you right into your settings window. So at the left corner of your settings window, you have the account and profile, general, privacy, appearance, audio and video. Now select audio and video and it takes you here. So this is where you can change your video settings. In here you can change your background to whatever you want it to be. So let's say I have this background, just go ahead and select your background. You can click on this three dots menu for you to find a wide array of backgrounds, featured backgrounds, or go ahead and click on the spot icon where you have my background. So click on the plus icon and it's going to take you right into your systems folder where you can select any background of your choice. Okay, so these are other options that you can choose. So let's say I want to change it. So I clicked on another background and I'm just going to click on back. And that's my background. So that's how to change the background. And here you have the webcam setting. So click on webcam settings and in here you have the brightness, you have contrast, you have hue, saturation, sharpness, gamma, and all of this. So go ahead and set it to what you want, and you can even head over to camera control for you to control the camera from here. So I'm just gonna go back to where we are. So back to audio and video. So here you have microphone. Now you can check this default communication device. You can click on this and you can change it to I have a microphone connected, so it can be microphone of panel or any of these microphones. Just go ahead and select the microphone that you want and automatically adjust microphone settings. All right, you can put it on or you can put it off. So put it on to automatically adjust, put it on to do that manually. Now you have the noise cancellation. You can cancel noise. This is set to default, so you can put it off, low, high, whatever noise cancellation that you want to use. And you have speakers. So the speakers, you can set this to what kind of speaker do you want. You can change that, and you can also raise the speaker volume high, or you can decrease it by using the slider. So any of that option. You can test your audio by clicking on the checkbox to test your audio. You can unmute for incoming calls by toggling this on, or you can toggle it off. Toggle it off to unmute, toggle it on to unmute, toggle it off to mute. So that's it. So you can even make a free test call by clicking on that. So that's pretty much how you can change your audio and video settings in Skype. You can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. Now this is the last thing. Click on this HP True version and you can set it to HP True version or OBS visual camera. Will be nice. So I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.